Are you on the hunt for the perfect point-and-shoot camera that combines convenience with exceptional image quality? Whether you're a budding photographer, a travel enthusiast, or simply someone who wants to capture life's moments effortlessly, this guide is for you. Point-and-shoot cameras have evolved significantly, offering impressive features and compact designs. In this video, we'll explore the best point-and-shoot cameras available on the market today, highlighting their key features and benefits to help you make an informed decision and elevate your photography game. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website Consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Kodak Pix Pro FZ55, our find for best budget point-and-shoot camera. If you're on the hunt for an affordable point-and-shoot camera that keeps your budget intact, the Kodak FZ55 deserves your attention. This compact powerhouse provides a quality photography experience without draining your wallet. While it may not turn you into a photography expert overnight, the FZ55 delivers surprisingly good photos that can elevate your snapshots. What sets the FZ55 apart from other budget options? Its impressive built-in 5x motorized zoom allows you to capture distant subjects with clarity that many smartphones simply can't match. While others struggle with blurry images, you'll find yourself snapping detailed shots effortlessly. Its design pays homage to the classic digital camera era, providing a nostalgic feel that enhances your photography experience. Diving into the specifications, you'll appreciate its 1/2.3-inch sensor and 16.7 megapixels, combined with a versatile 28 to 140 mm lens. The 2.7-inch LCD screen keeps things simple and user-friendly, and although it lacks a viewfinder, it's perfect for capturing moments without unnecessary complexity. Plus, with the ability to record full HD videos, your adventures can be documented in vibrant motion. For those eager to explore the world of photography with minimal fuss, the Kodak FZ55 could be your ideal companion. This camera allows you to immerse yourself in capturing memories without the steep learning curve, making it a perfect choice for both beginners and casual shooters. Number 4. Sony ZV-1F, our find for best point-and-shoot camera for video and vlogging. If you're searching for a compact vlogging companion that won't compromise your style, the Sony ZV-1F is a fantastic choice. Weighing in at a mere fraction of traditional cameras, it easily slips into your pocket, ensuring you're always ready to capture the moment when inspiration strikes. Equipped with a high-quality 1-inch sensor, the ZV-1F outshines most smartphones, particularly in low-light situations, making those sunset adventures and evening outings come alive in vivid detail. While the fixed 20mm f2 lens may seem limiting, it invites you to elevate your composition skills and explore creative angles you may not have considered before. While it's true that stabilization may not be its strongest aspect, the ZV-1F excels in other vital areas. With rapid eye autofocus and an impressive continuous burst speed of 24 frames per second, capturing spontaneous moments becomes effortless, allowing you to focus on your storytelling without worrying about missed opportunities. As traditional point-and-shoot cameras become rare, the leap in image quality from your smartphone to the ZV-1F is a refreshing change. Whether you're traveling, discovering local treasures, or enjoying a casual night out, this camera ensures your visual narratives are captivating and rich in detail. With the ZV-1F by your side, let your creativity flow and document your life in stunning clarity. Still searching for the perfect point-and-shoot camera? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Olympus Tough TG-6, our find for best waterproof point-and-shoot camera. If you're ready to elevate your adventures without the worry of delicate equipment, it's time to consider the ultimate point-and-shoot camera, your reliable partner in capturing life's most memorable moments. This camera is not just durable, it's engineered to be waterproof up to 50 feet, making it your go-to for splashing fun in the water. With dust-proof capabilities, it's perfect for sandy beach days, and its crush-proof design can withstand up to 220 pounds, ideal for that moment of relaxation after a long hike. Equipped with a 12-megapixel backside illuminated complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, this camera may appear modest at first glance, but it delivers stunning quality that will impress you and your friends. The versatile 4x zoom lens allows you to capture everything from expansive landscapes to candid selfies, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Should you fall in love with this dependable device, Olympus offers a wide range of accessories to enhance your experience. From action mounts for thrilling excursions to underwater lights for breathtaking dives, you'll have everything needed to make your adventures extraordinary. Lightweight at just 8.92 ounces and measuring 4.45 by 2.6 by 1.28 inches, it fits easily in your bag while being built to withstand the rigors of your journeys. Equip yourself with this solid camera and you'll be ready to embark on your next adventure with confidence, knowing that every moment is just a click away. Number 2. Ricoh GR3X, our find for best photo quality point-and-shoot camera. If high photo quality in a compact camera is a priority for you, the Ricoh GR3X stands out as an exceptional choice. This model features a sharp 40mm f2.8 fixed focal length lens, striking a balance between versatility and pocketability. While the original GR3 offers a wider 28mm f2.8 lens, the GR3 provides a natural perspective that closely resembles the human eye, allowing you to capture stunning portraits and everyday scenes with ease. The camera's ability to digitally crop to an effective 71mm focal length enhances its macro capabilities, making it perfect for detailed close-up shots. The Ricoh GR3 is designed around 4 core principles: high image quality, quick response, portability, and continuous evolution. Equipped with a 24.2 megapixel advanced photo system Type-C sensor and the advanced GR Engine 6, it ensures sharp images with exceptional color reproduction. You'll enjoy a high-speed startup of just 0.8 seconds, complemented by a high-speed hybrid autofocus system that delivers both accuracy and speed. With improved controls that enhance usability while still prioritizing portability, the GR3X is a fantastic option for anyone who wants to capture their world without the burden of bulky equipment. Pursue your passion for photography with confidence and let the GR3X help you tell your story, one beautiful shot at a time. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Sony RX100 VII, our find for best point-and-shoot camera overall. If you're in search of a compact camera that can significantly enhance your photography, the Sony RX100 VII is an excellent choice. This powerful device features a large 1-inch sensor that delivers exceptional image quality, ensuring that every shot stands out. You'll notice how your photographs capture vibrant colors and sharp details, elevating your social media presence and impressing your friends. One of the standout features of the RX100 VII is its remarkable autofocus system, ideal for capturing spontaneous moments, be it a family gathering or wildlife in action. You won't miss a moment as the camera locks onto subjects with incredible precision. With a versatile 24 to 200mm equivalent lens, this camera allows you to explore various styles of photography, whether you're shooting expansive landscapes or zooming in to capture stunning details. Additionally, capturing 4K video means your travel vlogs will have a professional touch, bringing your adventures to life like never before. Though the price may be higher than typical point-and-shoot cameras, consider it an investment in your creative journey. The features and performance packed into this compact model justify the cost, providing you with the tools you need to transform your photography. Are you ready to take your photography to the next level? The Sony RX100 VII is ready to fit seamlessly into your pocket, encouraging you to capture and cherish those unforgettable moments. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which point-and-shoot camera you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.